Hey guys, welcome to yet another AI/ML tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to talk about the Hermes Agent. So stay tuned and we will show you the complete introduction, the walkthrough, and the steps to load it into your own local machine. So basically, Hermes Agent is an open source autonomous AI agent framework which is developed by Nous Research. So, unlike the traditional stateless AI chatbots, it runs 24/7 on your local machine or a cloud server. It is designed to retain multi session memory, automatically build reusable skills from past tasks, and continuously improve its performance over time. So, for the same, if you wish to know about it, you can head on to this website, that is the hermesagents.newsresearch.com, and here you can see this particular web page right here about the Hermes agent. Now, th- how it actually works is that Hermes is designed to act less like a standard chatbot and more like an assistant you text throughout the day. It operates using three foundational pillars. The first one is persistent memory, so it basically remembers your preference, projects, and working styles across every single session, preventing you from having to re explain your context repeatedly. Then is the automated skill creation. When the agent successfully completes a complex task, it analyzes its process and writes a structured markdown file as or a skill, and the next time you give it a similar task, it knows this is going to execute the work much faster. And at the last, we have the multi-platform messaging. So instead of a closed web dashboard, you interact with Hermes via everyday messaging platforms like Telegram, Discord, Slack, or WhatsApp. You can text it a command from your phone and it will execute the work in the background on your server. So some of the core features of the same are the model agnostics because it acts as an operating system layer for AI. You aren't logged into a single API. It can use 200 plus models via OpenRouter, local LLMs, or other OpenAI compatible endpoints. It isn't also limited to just text generation. It can use tools to execute in sandboxes, run web searches, perform full action browser automations, and also run voice dictation. Then we also have the automation and delegations, as it has a built-in scheduler or cron to run recurring background tasks. It can also spin up parallel subagents to decide heavy workloads as well. So now you can see these are the features within the website as they are mentioned right here. It says free plus super ultra. These are the plans for the Nose portal. If you wish to know about it, you can simply check out the same. And in this page, you will basically see the subscriptions of the same. Now, apart from that, if you wish to read about the company itself, which is the newest, you can find the same in this website. It's a very simple website, and from here you can get about it. And if I talk about the official documentations, you can see all of them right here. Here are the installation steps mentioned as well, the skills option, and even the download section from where you can simply download the Hermes agent. For the portal, you can click onto this portal option and you can see the Hermes portal. From here you can get your API keys and other stuff using the same by simply creating your own account. You can click onto this install button for getting the installation guide. Since currently I am on Windows, it has automatically detected my operating system to be Windows. Apart from that, it is also available for Mac OS and the Linux as well, which you can install via the terminal. So for Windows, let's click onto this download button and you can see that the Hermes setup.exe has been downloaded. Let's launch it and see what the installation process actually is. So for that, I'm going to simply click onto this and here you can see this particular wizard opens and it says the agent that grows with you. We will set up things in the background as it takes a few minutes. Now you can see once I have selected the installation, it basically comprises of these 16 steps. The first one is to installing the UV package managers. And once that will be done, it will verify the presence of Python 3.11. So basically, it will at least require Python 3.11 or more in order to run out the same. And apart from Python, the other dependencies include the presence of Git, Node.js, and libgrep and fmpeg, which it will automatically install. And then it will clone the Hermes repository. It will create a Python virtual environment, the dependencies, the Node.js dependencies, and it will also build a desktop app and also add Hermes to the environment variables or the system path. After that, it will write the configuration template and install messaging platforms like SDKs and make the installation complete while we will be configuring it with our API keys and models, and then you will be start to message the gateway. Meanwhile, what we can do is simply log into the portal so that we can see more about the same. So for that, we go to the portal right here, and then using our Google, we can simply log in. If you wish, you can also use your GitHub, Discord, or your Gmail option. And apart from that, we also have these options to log in as well, which you can see right here. There are a ton of them, like actually a lot. I haven't seen these many options for login. So now we will be using Google, which is the simplest of all. I'll simply select my particular ID, and once I have selected my ID, I will simply click onto this continue button as I am allowing it to sign in, and it you can see it has successfully verified me and everything is set. And now from here we can see our Hermes agent. We can also get our API keys and the usage, the account settings, and the info as well. So this is pretty much it about the same. From here, you can find about the model, embedding, and the tool pricing as well. So you can see these are the rates which you can see right here for each and every one of them. You can pause the video or simply access this particular URL to get into this particular pricing list. Meanwhile, our installation is currently in progress. I will let you know once the same is done. Currently, we are at the step 7 of 16, and it should not take much more time. I'll meanwhile pause the video and I'll resume once this is successfully done. Okay, so after a few minutes, the installation is finally ready, and you can see this message that says Hermes is ready. And you can launch from here or anytime with your terminal with the Hermes desktop. So from here, we're going to click onto this launch Hermes, and we'll just wait for the application to start up. And here you can see it says, let's get you set up with Hermes Agent, connect a model provider to start chatting. Most option takes one click. So it is currently starting the Hermes and waiting for the Hermes backend to become ready. And once that is done, all you will need to do is simply connect it with your desired model and start working out as you would normally do with any other systems like, let's say, the Olama and as well. So it has almost completed. And once it launches, we will just see the interface and check out a few of its features as well. So this is the how it actually looks, and from here you can see it is currently set to the Opus 4.6. Apart from here, there are a lot of different models which you can see right here, like the Gemini 3, GPT, Opus, and different ones as well from Anthropic, ChatGPT, and much more. For more models, you can search for the same. And basically, this is how it looks. In the upcoming videos, we will explore them in detail. And so, yes, that was all about setting up Hermes desktop onto your system. Next, we will also be looking at the Hermes CLI as well. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.